For this topic you have to hold the page vertical. Draw a rectangle first. Now we are going to start pencil drawing. Today's topic is bird in nest. So you have to draw very lightly this bird. See properly. While drawing, remember students, always you have to draw very lightly by pencils as possible as you avoid eraser. Pencil drawing perfect, should be perfect, you have to draw. Now here the bark of tree you have to draw. You can observe these pencil drawings as completed. Now after pencil drawing, you border it by black sketch pen properly. Border by black sketch pen its nest. Branches of the tree. The leaves. Here like this sketch pen border has completed. Now use 25 shades oil pastel color for coloring. Now here use deep yellow color to bird, color it by deep yellow. Little bit you can mix like this orange color also. Here dark orange color. See students, while coloring you have to use slant stroke only. Here this bird has colored. Now for this nest use yellow ochre color. As you know, I told you you have to color slantly. Plain yellow ochre color. Fill up this yellow ochre color totally to the nest. Here like this you have color yellow ochre. Now on this brown color. Like this brown color you have to color on that light yellow ochre color. Now here this dark brown color also you can mix. Now for this trunk of the tree and branches of the tree use gray color first. First light color, then dark color on it. Here like this light gray color, I have color here to the branch and the trunk of tree. Now use dark brown color on this light color. Cover that gray colors by dark brown color totally. For leaves light green color, and dark green color also. like this a deep green color mixing. Now for this background, use light blue color. Light blue color. Now use any sharp instrument, suppose like this one instrument, it is included already in color box. You can draw like these small lines, like this effect. Now like these vertical lines. Like this compass also you can use. After like this pointed instruments, draw lines, and like this drawing has completed. If you like these drawings, you subscribe this video.